In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix home dataset issues in Wix databases. If you're having trouble with your Wix site, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve dataset problems efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with a simple fix that often resolves many of these issues quickly. Open up your web browser and let's navigate to the browser settings. You'll find this typically by clicking on the menu icon, often represented by three dots or lines, in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once in the settings menu, look for the section related to your browsing data. This includes your browsing history, cache, and cookies. Why is this important, you might ask? Your browser stores temporary data to enhance your web experience, but sometimes this data can become corrupted or outdated, causing issues when loading websites like Wix. By clearing this data, you're essentially giving your browser a fresh start, free from potential glitches that might be causing the problem. Now, within your settings, locate the option that allows you to clear your browsing data. You might see the option to choose the time range for which you want this data cleared. For good measure, and to ensure that no cached elements are affecting your Wix site, go ahead and select all time for maximum effectiveness. Be sure to select all three categories: browsing history, cache, and cookies. Once you have selected these options, proceed to clear the data. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will log you out of most websites, so don't forget any important login details. After you've completed this step, let's return to your Wix site and check if the dataset home issues persist. Reload the page and observe any changes. Has the issue resolved? If the problem was caused by caching or cookie issues, this simple action should set everything right. For those of you who might still encounter issues, further troubleshooting could involve checking your database permissions and configurations in the Wix dashboard, but clearing your browser cache is a useful first step that resolves many common issues. So there you have it, a straightforward and effective solution to tackle annoying dataset issues on your Wix site. Remember, keeping your browser's cache and cookies fresh is not only a good practice for troubleshooting issues, but it also helps keep your browser running smoothly overall. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your Wix site.